there, gamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all of you cozy game enthusiasts. With the Steam Next Fest just around the corner, we've handpicked 6 best cozy games on Steam that you absolutely cannot miss. These games will be available for free as demo versions during the festival, so let's dive in and see what they have in store for us. First up, we have Little Kitty Big City. Who wouldn't want to be an adventurous cat with no rules to follow? Unlike The Stray, where you have fun in a cyberpunk-style city. In this game, you can embrace the life of a city-dwelling feline, explore the urban landscape, scratch furniture, hide in cardboard boxes, chase birds, rub against pedestrians, or even steal their phones. You can also make animal friends and collect a variety of quirky hats. It's a cat lover's dream come true. Moving on to Sticky Business, for all you guka game enthusiasts out there. Ever wanted to run your own sticker shop? Well, now you can. Fulfill customer orders, immerse yourself in the art of packaging, and create stickers in various styles. From cat-themed to witch-themed, you can even customize the packaging materials and add some candies to boost customer satisfaction. It's like stepping into a dreamy sticker wonderland. Next, we have Moonstone Island. Imagine a blend of Stardew Valley and Pokemon. In this game, you can build and decorate your own island home, cultivate crops, collect resources, and make friends with villagers. But here's the twist. You can also tame wild spirits to aid you in battles. Additionally, you can use your harvested crops and flowers to craft potions and become an alchemist. It's an enchanting experience you won't want to miss. Prepare your taste buds for Venba, an incredibly charming cooking game with a touch of Indian culture. With its warm and hand-drawn visuals, you'll embark on a culinary journey, mastering the art of cooking Indian cuisine step by step. Just a fair warning, though, playing this game might make you crave some delicious takeout. I simply can't resist cooking games. For all the interior design enthusiasts out there, we have something special. House Flipper 2 has arrived. Dive into the world of house renovation, cleaning, and remodeling. Grab that hammer, smash those walls, and create your perfect dream home. The satisfaction of laying tiles and painting walls is unmatched. Plus, you can even build your own houses from scratch. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Last but not least, we have Loddlenaut, an incredibly adorable game set in an underwater world. As a cute little cleaner, you'll embark on a mission to clean up a planet entirely covered by ocean. Armed with a tiny collector, you'll gather plastic waste, cans, and debris from polluted coral reefs. The process of purifying the ocean is incredibly satisfying, accompanied by the soothing sound of diving and gentle background music. These fantastic games will be available to play as demo versions during the Steam Next Fest in June 2023. So mark your calendars and make sure not to miss out. And hey, if you're watching this video after the festival has ended, don't worry. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting updates and releases. Until next time, happy gaming!